Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making some cheesecake in our Philips 3000 series multi-cooker. Whoever thought you could bake cakes, especially cheesecake, in a multi-cooker? Well, now you can. So I have had some ingredients prepared earlier. What I have got here is I have a springform baking pan. This is 20 centimeters. I've just greased it and lined it with baking paper. I've also got some biscuits here with some melted butter. So I use digestive biscuits, but you can really use any sort of graham crackery biscuit that you like. Pop it in here. I've just roughly blitzed these up in my food processor. So as you can see, I'm just pressing it into the base. The great thing about this recipe is that it's actually available on our Philips NutriU app. So it's an app that has been designed specifically for Philips products, and on there you will find lots and lots of recipes for this product. So it's really great if you need some more inspiration and you think, what am I going to make tonight for dinner? Go onto the Philips NutriU app and there are always new recipes uploaded, so you'll never lose inspiration. The next thing that I've got here is my cream cheese mixture. So in here is cream cheese, 2 eggs, some sugar, some vanilla, and a little bit of lemon. I now pour this in over my base, just like this. Who does not love a cheesecake? Pour this in just like that into your pan. This is a really quick and easy recipe that you can make if you're having friends around and you're not sure what you're going to do for dessert. Now we've got our cheesecake already in there. We just need to give it a quick little bang to bring some of those air bubbles to the surface because it is a really beautiful, dense cheesecake. Now we've got the cheesecake prepared, we need to move on to the machine. So we need to unlock the lid. And in here, I already have our steaming rack. So this comes with the unit. With this, we need to pop in 250 mils of water because we are going to be steaming this cheesecake. We pop our rack in. I love these little finger holes, makes it very easy. And then we just simply place our cheesecake on top of there. And as you can see, 20 centimeters fits perfectly. I will close the lid, lock it into place, and then we need to get onto the settings. When I look at this, I'm now going to go to our manual pressure cooking because we're going to be cooking a cheesecake in 20 minutes. I'm now going to scroll through all the different settings. So I've got beef, chicken, duck, sheep, fish, and now I'm going down to the manual. I press enter, and now I'm going to set my time to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to set my kPa. Your kPa is your pressure. So with this unit, you don't just get high and low pressure. You can choose your kPa, so you use a lower pressure for things like cake, and you use a high pressure for things like lamb shanks or tougher meats. So I'll take this up to 30, and then I press start. You'll see the green lights. These green lights are going to flash for maybe about 5 or 10 minutes until the pressure is up to level, and then you'll start to see the countdown timer count down. One of my favourite things about this unit is a lot of people are really worried about safety when it comes to a multi-cooker and using the pressure cooker function. With this unit, we have 18 safety mechanisms. So that means you don't need to worry at all. And we also have a child lock, which is great for those who have little fingers in their household. You don't need to worry about this one. So while this is going, I will come back and see you in about 25 or 30 minutes and we'll have a look at our cheesecake. So it's been 25 to 30 minutes and all the steam has gently released and it's time to have a look at what our cheesecake looks like. Unlock the lid and inside we have our beautiful pressure cooked cheesecake. So what you need to do now is just take it out and allow it to cool for 20 or 30 minutes before you remove it from the pan. I have been a little bit cheeky and I have got one I made here earlier. I've just decorated it in beautiful summer berries, and this is a delicious dessert, rich and velvety. We made this cheesecake all in our Philips 3000 series multi-cooker.